So I found this thing when I was looking through FET Labs, and I thought this was really representative of what we were learning in class today. The induction magnets, or electromagnetic induction, that it's used to produce electricity in most places, and like how water can be used in dams to generate electricity for thousands and thousands of homes. And this demonstrates the concepts really well to me, so I just wanted to share it with everyone else. By moving this lever, you can turn the water on and off, and it changes how quickly the magnet spins based on the rotations per minute here. And so this one changes the variable of the speed of the magnet and the change in the magnetic field around it, as is shown there on the screen. And so by putting more water, it rotates more, and as you can see, as it rotates more, the bulb gets brighter with the electrons moving more. So that demonstrates that the speed of a magnet really affects the electrical output and the amount of current running through a wire at any certain point. And then there's other things that can be changed if you hold this constant. I'm keeping it 100 just to make it simple and it looks cooler. Like, you're allowed to vary the number of loops from 1 to 2 to 3, which also further demonstrates another variable in the electromagnetic induction process, which is the volume or area of the loops in the coil. With more coils equaling a greater current and a greater force, like electrical output. And then you can increase the loop area also and vary it. So like the bigger the loop, which means the bigger the area covered by the loop, the greater the effect the electromagnet has, and the brighter the bulb gets, which is demonstrated very well here, which I'm glad I could see. So if you reset it all, show field, just seeing it again, this is, if you can change this to make the bulb brighter or dimmer, and it's fun to play around, for one thing, to see how each individual part affects the total output of the generator. And it's also good because this shows a real world application of how electromagnetism can be used in the real world, and how basically using the force of water or anything, you can generate electricity, which I find to be really, really cool.